We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp not showing the contacts' names, but it is showing the phone numbers even though they're saved to your phone's contacts. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it's easy to go and forget whose number is whose, and so you want to go and get this fixed. I've just come into a random chat on WhatsApp just to stop me showing the phone numbers. To go and fix this, we need to fully close WhatsApp. So click on the three lines at the bottom and you want to go and swipe up on it like so. After you've done that, you need to go and open up the settings on your phone. I'll go do that now. In your settings, you need to go and scroll down until you go and see the option for apps. And then in apps, you need to go and scroll down and go and find WhatsApp. This will be alphabetical, so we can come right down to here. And then what you need to do in WhatsApp is go into permissions. And what's super important is that you go and find contacts. And what you can then do is make sure it's set to allow. Now WhatsApp is going to have access to them. So then what you can do is go and return to WhatsApp. I'll go and open it up here, and now the contact should shortly load. If you find they still don't, then click on the three lines in the bottom and restart the app again. That's what I did, and then they went and loaded. And hopefully that'll have solved your problem. If it still isn't, then what's worth doing is fully uninstalling the app by holding your finger on it, and then you can go and reinstall it again as well. So you can go and click on uninstall, you may want to back up your chats beforehand, and then you can reinstall it, and that should fix the problem.